With interest rates at a 12-month low, is now the time to buy your next home? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're at in the world today. Thursday, October 23rd, interest rates remain flat from yesterday's 12-month low, exactly the same. National average on a 30-year fixed, 6.17 according to Mortgage News Daily. 6.10 on jumbo loans, loan amounts over $818,000. 5.90 on FHA. Now, if you missed yesterday's video, we compared FHA now earlier in the summer and last November before the election and showed what that means to your payment. We're going to do something similar today. We are going to take a look at 19815 Northeast Allworth Road in Battleground, Washington. This is a 3-bed, 3-bath, 3,200 square foot home built in 1987, sitting on just shy of an acre. This home is listed by Diana. Diana has a very long description. Nestled in the serene Battleground countryside, this meticulously maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is ready for you to move in and make your own. Situated on a fully fenced and gated 0.79 acre parcel with a gentle slope. We'll see how gentle when we look at the pictures. This property provides space and amenities. On entry, you'll be greeted by the charm of a vintage 28 by 22 workshop, equipped with electricity, plenty of off-street parking, and galvanized steel carport, and a greenhouse. So we'll definitely take a look at that. Spacious eating kitchen blends functionality and style. I'm going to kind of skim through here. Oak hardwood floors and cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, newer range, delightful patio. All right, let's look at some pictures. Okay. Nice curb appeal, definitely has that mid-80s architecture. I kind of like it. Gravel, no, it's a paved blacktop drive up to your concrete driveway, 2-car garage. Kind of a cool entry, looks like maybe a bonus room above the garage. We'll take a look at that. Nice covered long patio. Kind of interesting. Okay, here's our entry. There's the hardwood, oak hardwood floors. Yeah, nice banister, wood stairs. Okay, family room, tile family room. This looks like a very dog-friendly house. Formal dining room. French doors leading out back. Nice kitchen. I don't know if those are original cabinets, but they do look like oak cabinets. Quartz countertops look nice. Nice big kitchen. Okay, wood burning stove. Utility room. Okay, this looks like our primary upstairs above the garage. Now that flooring looks different. That to me looks like engineered hardwood floors. I'm guessing this is the primary bath. That's the vanity outside. Interesting. Walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. No, here's the bonus room above the garage. Very cool bonus room. Just screams, put a pool table in me. Guest bath. Backyard. Okay. I think that gives us a pretty good idea. Nice lot. Oh, we want to see the shop. Here we go. Here's that vintage shop. Very cool. Okay. So the whole point of today is looking at different ways of financing this house. Here's one way, okay? If we were to put 10% down in November, about this time last year, right before the election, interest rates, the national average on a 30-year fix, 6.89. If we do a payment breakdown, principal and interest, $4,411. Today, at 6.17, that's $4,093. Property taxes are $474. Homeowners insurance, $100 a month. And because we're putting less than 20% down, we do have a little bit of mortgage insurance, but it's very affordable at $122 a month, keeping about $75,000 in our pocket. So if we were to compare buying this home today versus last year, with the drop in interest rates, our affordability, home affordability has improved on this house by $317 a month. And that's significant for a lot of people, especially with the cost of living going up, the cost of beef. I have a friend who has a cattle ranch in Eastern Oregon, and his calves are going for $3,000 a piece right now. So $317 a month savings year over year is significant. Now, is this going to continue? No one knows. I have a feeling that it's going to, okay? So one loan feature we can add, we talk about this a lot. I'm not gonna go into great detail about it on today's video. There's lots of videos on my channel about 2-1 temporary buy downs. If we were to ask the seller to pay for a 2-1 temporary buy down, in year one, we can get our interest rate down to 6.17, saving us an additional $826 a month for the first 12 months. And then in year two, our interest rate on a 2-1 temporary buy down would be reduced by 1% to 5.17, saving us an additional $424 a month for the second year. And then in years 3 through 30, we're at the full payment and full rate. So it's still a 30-year fixed mortgage, but the first 2 years we get a temporary buy down. And then hopefully between now and year 3, we are catching a refinance in that low 5s. So there you go. That's a comparison yesterday or today's interest rates to last year. Is now the right time to buy? I think if the right opportunity presents itself, you have significant savings over last year. If you guys want a breakdown like this, customized for you, reach out to me. All my information's in the description. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everybody.